If you are searching a good 4K action camera, then you are in the right video. In this video, I'm going to give my own opinion on Eken 4K camera. So it's one of the cheapest and one of the amazing budget action camera, and you can also purchase from your near store. Okay, so using the Eken camera, you can shoot various types of the motovlog and different kind of things. So it's one of the amazing camera. So if you are also searching the review, and if you are searching the unboxing video for the Eken 4K camera, then you are in the right video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. Guys, now I'm going to unboxing this Eken H9r camera. So now you can see here in this side there are lots features available. It have the waterproof housing, frame, mounts, and different kind of mounts available right here. So you can check this one. So I'm going to unbox this one. So first of all, I have to remove this one. So I think I should do. So I think here is a sticker and I have to remove that one. So finally I'm going to unboxing this one. Okay, so now you can see here it's completely removed this one. So I'm just detaching this one from this side. Okay, so this is the actual products. So inside here, now you can see there is a nice one packaging. So first of all, now you can see there is some manual. Okay, and here is some accessories. So now you can see here is some necessary all the kinds of accessories available to mount your action camera. So you can check this one. Okay, and I think this is the remote, maybe this one. Okay, and here is a charger also available. So let's move on to check the quality of this camera. Hoping that you get few ideas about the Eken 4K camera. If you have still any kind of doubts or questions, let me know in the comment sections. I'll try to give answer of your each questions. And if you have any kind of suggestion, please give me you can ask me in the comment section. And if you get some knowledge from this video, please share this video to among the people who are trying to purchase or who are planning to buy this Eken 4K action camera. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.